working? Yes. Let's adjust. Okay, that's it. Okay. Hey, beautiful CVPs. Welcome to my channel. I'm so excited. Here's sweetie Glory. I'm so excited because I want to share with you this moment of truth. I didn't open this yet. This is a surprise that came yesterday in the mail, and I just want to share with you this. Ow, Glory wanted to bite my finger. I wanted just to share with you this amazing epic moment in my life. Check this out. 1, 2, 3. Wow! Look at that, guys. This is the brand new 27-inch Imac. This is the state-of-the-art computer in our day and time right now. And it's all sealed up. It just came in the mail yesterday. Oh, Glory is happy. Glory is happy. You want to dance? You want to dance for me? I'm so excited, guys. I'm so excited. So this is the 2019. This is the best state-of-the-art computer right now with the best graphic card, the most hard drive space, with the fastest processor. This is a i9 processor or something like that. And check this out. This is all sealed. Like, Glory. Look at Glory's excited. Glory. Look at that. This is all sealed up. You see? So we're gonna open my brand new iMac 2019 together. Glory's happy. Glory, turn. Glory's happy. Yeah. Glory's reaction to my iMac. And look what it came. Oh, Glory. Look at this. I know. So I guess you don't need a knife. Look, you just pulled. This is all sealed up. So let's open this. We're gonna unseal the brand new 2019 iMac. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. Wow! Glory, what are you doing? Look, we just opened it up. So let's unbox this baby. I know. Look. Oh my gosh, this is huge, guys. Oh my gosh, look at how huge this is. This is huge. This is so huge. We're gonna unbox this for YouTube. Come on. Come on. Let's oh! Come on, step up. Go. Let's oh guys, we're unboxing the brand new iMac. Look at that, look at that. Wow. Wow. This is huge, guys. Oh, this is the keyboard. The keyboard is up here. Then we have the computer. Wow. Look at that. Here's the wire. This literally smells like brand new. This is really brand new. Okay, so never done this before. There's the Apple seal right here. Glory wants to see it. No, no, Glory, no. Down, Glory. All right, Glory needs to inspect everything. Glory, is it completed? Come on, let's get this out of this. How do I get this out? I guess I need to like break it up or something. Oh, here. 1. Oh, Glory. Okay, this is 1. 1, 2, 3. And here's the other one. Wow. And it's not easy to unbox this with a bird on your shoulder. Glory. Don't break it. Don't break it. Guys, look what Glory is doing. Glory, don't break it. You need to unbox it. Come on. Glory wants to be part of everything I do. Oh, there it is. Go. And there it is. There it is. Wow. This is it, guys. Okay, Glory, go. This is it, guys. We got it. We got it. You want to see it? You want to see it, Dory? Don't break it. Alright. Never give your bird styrofoam. Oh, he's excited! Wow. Guys, this is my new iMac. I'm gonna create so much awesome videos for you on this. This is amazing. And look how thin it is. This is so thin compared to my old computer. Wow. So basically, this computer, I got sponsored by an anonymous sponsor. And I can't say the name, but whoever sponsored this to me, you know who you are. So I want to say thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for this awesome gift. I'm so excited. Look at that. This is my brand new iMac 2019. And I'm going to create new content with this iMac. This will be great for the future. And also thank you all you guys, my CVPs who are watching my content, liking me and supporting and all the love. I'm going to do new content, awesome content for you with this computer. And I'm so excited. I can't wait to get it started, get it boosted up, and just try this new machine out because this is awesome. This is a dream come true. So thank you so much. I love you guys. And yeah, that was the unboxing of the new iMac 2019. Yeah, let's boost this baby up and get it all set up. Wow, look at that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna open this. Oh, I just broke the seal right here. I just broke the seal. I just need to be careful with Glory's beak because Glory's beak is very powerful and she can snap through the screen and break it in no time. And I don't want that to happen. So look at that. One, we're taking off the cover. Two. Oh my God! I'm so excited. Wow. Look at that. Oh, this is amazing. Wow, and it's so light. I like it. I like it. You want to see it, Laurie? This is our new computer. This is an Apple computer. Oh. Look. This is our new computer. Look at how thin it is. Brand new. 2019 iMac. With the best processor, the best graphic card, the Vegas Pro 48, the most hard drive, 2 terabyte hard drive space, and an i9 processor. And what else? Yeah, I got the best computer. So yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited. This will be good. Oh! No, Glory. This will be so great. Okay, that's it. I love you guys. Thank you for all your love and your support. I'm gonna set it up and to make it really nice and boost this baby up, and I will see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe, and I love you, and I'll see you soon. Bye.